So we know that industrial automation is an industry, but who are the players in this industry who influence the outcome of a particular factory? Well, first is the manufacturer of technology. These are the ones that develop and manufacture the primary components like the PLC, the servo, the HMI, drives, valves, software, network components, and so forth. These could be singular companies or different companies with focus on only one type of products. Each of these products is a standalone product, very general in nature, that needs to be programmed and engineered together to meet specific application. Very similar to Lego blocks that have to be placed on each other to build the model that you actually want to build. Next comes the distributor. The distributor is has a tie-up with these manufacturers. They buy the material directly from the manufacturer, they stock, they service, they have the capabilities to engineer, select, train customers. They would be responsible for the supply chain of these products from the factory to the local go down to the local customer. um, they could be in multiple geographies. They could be working with multiple manufacturers. For example, Pima Controls is a multi-brand distributor located in Western India for industrial automation. You then have resellers. Resellers are smaller players that buy from distributor and service and support local manufacturers. These are generally for maintenance and MRO kind of requirements. You would then have system integrators, which are authorized system integrators. They are trained to use specific technology from manufacturer. They invest in tools and tackles that are required to engineer some of the components that are required in this from this particular industry. They have domain expertise for a specific application, like in an oil and gas or a cement or a boiler, uh, and they put their knowledge together along with this technology for the success of the project. You then have the panel builder. The panel builder is an expert as far as low voltage switchgear assemblies are concerned. They have electrical knowledge, safety, short circuit, overload, physical mounting, wiring practices, heat load and heat dissipation calculation, and so forth, and all the standards that go into building a good electrical panel. You then have one of the most critical aspects of this supply chain, that is the machine builder or the equipment builder. This machine builder is primarily a mechanical expert who also has multidisciplinary, expertise as to on the electrical side, the automation side, safety, pneumatics, hydraulics, depending on what is required to make their equipment a success. They usually own the IP that's required for the process, and they sell the equipment to the end user. Another one that comes into play is a consultant. For large scale projects, you also have a role of a consultant who comes in and builds the minimum specs required for a successful projects. They coordinate with individual vendors, set some minimum criteria for the project. They prescribed makes, brands, technology selections within a particular brand. They would come in to inspect products, equipments as they are built or assemblies as they are built, and would also do the final inspection and would be responsible for the entire project management till it's handed over to the end user. The end user here is the final beneficiary of the system. He is interested in making a product for which that is his IP, and all these equipments and the technology partners would come in to help him build that particular product. For every product that he makes, he sells in the market, they make money, and their interest is to churn out maximum products at the highest quality possible so that they get a return on the investment that they have made in their plant and machinery. So this money that they make vis-a-vis the investment that they make in their plant and machinery is the return on investment that a manufacturer or an end user is interested in. So today, friends, we saw the various players that are responsible for the industrial automation business to succeed and how each one plays a critical role in every aspect.